We're eating what you call this, Hana? Kosher. How does it differentiate from ano to, yung ice cream?
I don't know.
Huh? But itong kosher, ito yung pinipilahan dito. Alam mo? Dito sa Jewish quarters. Wala nakapila. Since kanina pa yung nakapila. And this one will cost almost parang 400 pesos. Diba? Grabe. Sarap. But the haba ng pila continues. They have crepes palasinki. So we're having a stopover walk break here. What do you think of the kosher?
Great.
How does it differentiate from regular na?
Do I just bite this?
Uy, pwede pala. Pwedeng kainin, no?
Oh, peel off the first layer. Ito,
Oh.
na-remove. Sige.
No.
Get it na.
Oops, mahulog, sayang.
Just tear it off, mom.
Pwede mo. Ayan. Oh, pwede mo siya na.
Sige, kuha mo na. That was the first layer.
Wow.
Sarap yung bread, ah.
Kaya pa siguro yung kuhan nila, no? Yung parang mahulog yung kuhan, Hana.
Yung.
Yung isang spoon. Gusto mo kainin yung bread?
Ito, makain.
Yung pila.
Budol tayo, budol.
Always may Star of
Dala tayo
David.
sa
May
crowd.
Star of David sa walls nila.
Dala kami sa crowd. Daming tao eh. So parang sabi namin, sige na lang.
But, worth it man siya. This is Jewish ice cream siguro. But ang difference sa akin is parang kala naman eh. Parang yung sa Jollibee. Of course, many will disagree. Of course. But, it's delicious. Kuha natin yung bread, ha? Baka makuha na. Uy! Kuha pala siya. Massive pala siya. Oo. Pila ako. Diba? The first and only kosher trademark in trade link in Prague.
Ano gusto niyan?
Original pala tayo. Oo.